Listening comprehension strategies. Identifying relevant information. Hello and welcome to our English language learning video series. In this episode, we will be exploring the topic of listening comprehension strategies, specifically focusing on the skill of identifying relevant information. Listening for specific information is crucial for effective communication and understanding in English. By the end of this video, you'll have a better grasp of this strategy and be able to apply it to your language learning journey. So, let's get started. When we listen to someone speaking in English, we often encounter a lot of information. Identifying relevant information involves honing in on the key details that are important for understanding the main idea or completing a specific task. It requires actively filtering out unnecessary details and focusing on the ones that matter. To identify relevant information, it's essential to have a clear objective in mind. Ask yourself, what specific information am I looking for? Is it a particular fact, a specific answer, or details related to a specific topic? Having a clear purpose will help you stay focused and improve your comprehension. Now that we understand the concept of identifying relevant information, let's explore some useful tips to enhance this skill. 2.1 Pay attention to keywords. Keywords are crucial in understanding the main idea or specific details. Listen for words or phrases that stand out and are directly related to the information you are seeking. For example, if you are listening for a specific date, pay close attention when numbers or time-related words are mentioned. 2.2 Look for repetition or emphasis. Repetition and emphasis often indicate important information. When a speaker repeats a word or phrase, it signals its significance. Similarly, when a speaker emphasizes a point through tone or volume, it's a strong indicator that you should focus on that particular detail. 2.3 Recognize signal words. Signal words such as first, next, finally, because, or, however, can guide you to important information. These words provide cues about the structure and flow of the speech, helping you identify key points or transitions in the conversation. 2.4 Use contextual clues. Contextual clues can assist in understanding the relevance of information. Pay attention to the overall topic of the conversation, the speaker's tone, and the situation. These contextual cues can help you determine which information is likely to be significant. To reinforce your skills in identifying relevant information, let's do a quick practice exercise together. I will play a short audio clip, and your task is to listen carefully and identify the specific information I will ask you about afterward. Ready? Let's begin. Play the audio clip. Now, let's discuss the questions and answers. By analyzing the audio clip, we can determine which details were relevant and match them with the correct answers. This exercise will help you sharpen your listening skills and reinforce your ability to identify relevant information accurately. Congratulations! You've reached the end of this English language learning video on identifying relevant information during listening comprehension. Remember, being able to identify relevant information is a vital skill that will greatly enhance your overall listening and comprehension abilities. By paying attention to keywords, recognizing repetition or emphasis, familiarizing yourself with signal words, and utilizing contextual clues, you'll become more proficient at extracting essential information from spoken English. Keep practicing these strategies, and you'll see significant progress in your language learning journey. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. See you next time.